Do you have a lot of files that need organizing? Tired of doing it manually? Now you can install an AI called Manus on your computer and it can automate this process. Here I have multiple photos and files that need to be sorted into folders based on category. I downloaded Manus from manus.im. After installing it on my Windows PC like any other app, I opened it and clicked Add Local Folder. Then I selected the folder where I wanted my files to be organized. Next, I gave it the following prompt: organize photos into folders. After answering 3 questions, it got to work. It recognized all the file types I had: images, PSDs, CSVs, zip files, and then started analyzing them using AI. Once the analysis was complete, it created category-based folders and moved the files according to the categories identified by the AI. This whole process took about 15 minutes for a few dozen files and used 76 credits out of the 300 daily credits available on the free plan. I'm mostly satisfied with how it organized the files, although it did make a few mistakes here and there. For example, placing some images in the wrong folders. However, if you have thousands of files to categorize, you'll probably have to wait quite a long time, maybe even a few days, for it to analyze everything with AI, and it would also consume a lot of credits. But for a few dozen to a few hundred files, it works well. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to try Manus yourself.